Okay, welcome back to I Can Unbox Anything, and today we've got a treat. We got a huge box that a subscriber has sent me from the Czech Republic. So, really excited to open this up and have a look. I have already broken the seal and had a little peep inside just to make sure nothing was broken or leaking. But actually, in terms of what's in here, pretty much a surprise to me as it is to you. So let's open it up and have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so do you know what I'm going to do? There's some paperwork here, and then there's all the stuff. I'm going to move this box off the table, and we'll bring the pieces up one at a time. Oh, gosh, that weighs a fair old bit. So, okay, hello Mike and Jenny. Please consider this box as something for your channels on YouTube and a Christmas gift from your subscriber. I know it's quite a few weeks before Christmas, but with Czech Postal Service and maybe Royal Mail too, you never know when it will really be delivered. Enjoy it as we enjoy your videos. Also, please, okay, so this is from a subscriber who wants to be known as Nalem27. In a separate letter, there is some description from each product. If you want to be really surprised, then don't read it for now. Basically, it's a mix of salty and sweet products and some drinks too. Please use the drinks first. It has a sooner best before date. Keep up the good work. Brilliant. Well, Nalem27, thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so excited to be opening this. I think I probably am going to use the cheat sheet though, because a lot of the stuff on there is probably not going to have English language ingredients or descriptions, and so I'm probably going to need to use this cheat sheet. Do you know what? We'll get a few things out and see how we get on. And then we've got this cheat sheet with descriptions and guidance on there as well. So let's see if we can figure it out. So the first thing out of the box is, well, it looks like a kind of mac and cheese type of thing. So it's, yeah, cheese, blue cheese and ham pasta mix packet. That's really good. That will be useful when I go out in the forest. I'll take that out with me and we can cook that out in the woods sometime. Next item. Well, that's interesting. I would have thought that was going to be like a noodle pot type of thing, but it doesn't look like it's a noodle pot thing. It looks like, I don't know whether that's pasta in there or whether that's potato or something. So yeah, cool. That's good. Okay. It's sort of instant 5-minute snack pot. Okay, so we've got some sort of puffed snack thing here. Flavour of, looks like flavour of peanuts and cashew, I would say. What looks to be a nutty chocolate bar, peanuts and chocolate. Cool. Chili con carne, easy cup chili con carne. That's not like an instant pot. That's must be a microwavable chili in a pot. Amazing. Okay, I think this is rum flavoured chocolates. Awesome. And this is right. So this is a strawberry-filled biscuit of some sort. Interesting little thing. We might taste that in a minute. I'm going to taste a couple of things from here, and then the tasting of all of the other bits and pieces is probably going to be spread across lots of different videos in future. Okay, now, something that's packed. Oh, this is a jar of mustard. Excellent. I do love mustard. Looks like some maybe pulled pork type of thing in a little tub. Yeah, I think that must be like a pulled pork type of potted meat. Good stuff. Couple of Pilsner beers here. Nice. Honestly haven't a clue what that is, but isn't that tin beautiful? Okay, this could be where we get the cheat sheet out, I think, because otherwise we're going to have to go through it all again. So let's have a look. Okay, right, so this item here is beef with garlic. A special brand from a small farm, quite expensive, no artificial flavours, warm it and eat it directly or with spinach. So, oh yeah, Nalim27 says he's actually never tried it himself, but he bought 2 cans, but his wife ate the other one before he could try it, so cool. Well, that's something, that seems like the sort of thing we might take out on a foraging trip sometime and find some sea beet, which is essentially spinach, and have this together with that. Cool. Lovely. Another one of these strawberry biscuit things. Oh, and another one of the chocolatey nutty ones. Nice. Couple of lemon flavoured wafer biscuits. Looks like jelly sweets of some sort. I don't know what that word is. I want to say ovobobule. Ovobobule. I'm sure if I tried to pronounce all the things on this table here, you'd just be laughing at me. So I'm really not going to try too hard. But I do like that word. I wish that was an English word, ovobobule, because it's just something beautiful about that word. Looks like a little white chocolate thing, but I think there must be a wafer in there because it feels quite light. So that's a little angel themed white chocolate wafer. Looks like hard sweets, like boiled sweets with a liquid centre. Mint flavour, I would say. Nice. And again, looks like hard sweets with fruity flavours. Blueberry, strawberry, maybe cherry, I don't know. Maybe like forest fruits. Box of pistachio nutty chocolate cups. They look really good. Oh, another packet of the fruity things. This is really good because it means I can taste some of them now, and then we can also have another packet for later, or Jenny can have it and take it to work and maybe share with her colleagues or something. Cool. Another one of these strawberry biscuits, and then 2 blueberry biscuits. These look good. These look a little bit like those kind of breakfast cookies. Sorry if you can hear the dog barking in the background. There's not much I can do about that. And then hazelnut wafers, by the look of it. A little bit squished, but hopefully they'll be okay. Let's have a look and see. We'll have a read through these in a minute, and we'll just see if we can see what we're going to decide to taste today. Prague ham, so a tin of ham. And again, that's the, well, you know me and pull tabs, but I think I might be okay with this one. But that's something, again, we might be able to take that out for a day in the forest or something and have that as part of our main meal. And the final item, which is wrapped incredibly carefully in a bubble wrap envelope. Aha! I don't know how to say that. Utopenki? I don't know. But this is pickled sausages. Now, interesting story about this. Howard, my friend at Dubious Engineering, tried to send me a jar of these that he brought back from the Czech Republic himself, and the parcel got lost in the post. I tried to use a parcel service called Parcelli, and unfortunately, they lost my parcel. Which is kind of, you know, you had one job, guys. Anyway, so NalM27 has very kindly sent me a replacement jar of pickled sausages. I'm really looking forward to these. I'll have to read up on the guidelines to see whether these are to be eaten cold or warm or whatever, but apparently they are kind of like sausages pickled in sauerkraut type of onion mix. So cool. Let's have a look through the guidelines here, because there's probably some stuff that I've missed here and misunderstood. So let's see if we can find something interesting in here. So yeah, Pilsner Lager, Very weird drink. Probably not. Just the best. This is the best Czech beer, apparently. Oh, well, that sounds good. So definitely going to chill that down and enjoy one of them this evening. So, interesting fact, this is the only one beer made from slightly alkaline water. Due to this, it's recommended by doctors for recovery from kidney stones and to prevent kidney stones. What a fantastic excuse to drink beer. Right, utopensi or utopenki. I don't know how to pronounce that. Please somebody correct me in the comments. How to describe this? It's like sausages in vinegar with onion. Interesting fact, typically consumed in pubs with bread and beers. A lot of beers. One of the foods you will either love or hate. I got a feeling I'm going to love this. This is a special Royal Kremsky mustard. It's a special mustard with 2 different kinds of mustard seeds without any chemicals or colours. Easy cup chili con carne. No translation necessary. That's fair enough. Okay, that one is the chopped barbecue pork for 4 hamburgers. So again, that's a kind of pulled pork type of thing, I think. A lot of the things here, he said he's never tasted it, so that'll be interesting. So I will make sure that all of the things that are on this table are documented in a video sometime in the future. I'm not going to open these all now because that would waste a lot of food. But at some point or other, all of these things will feature in probably a random weekend video or maybe one of my foraging videos. Okay, so this is a Prague ham. So you can have it cold on bread or cook it with ham and eggs for breakfast or quickly warm it in a pan and eat it with potatoes. The jelly is like gravy, he says. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I like the jelly in these preserved meats. This we've already looked at. This is beef with garlic. 5 minutes. Right, so this one, yes, it is. It's mashed potatoes with onion. It's a dried food. Quick snack, just add water to the line and mix well. So yeah, add with ham or sausage. So when we go out and do one of these things in the woods, we might take a few of these things and try and combine them into a meal. But yeah, instant mashed potato in a pot. How about that? There's a cheesy pasta with ham sauce. Bag already contains ham and 5 types of cheese. Amazing. Cool. Okay, this is the salty snack here, ideal for TV, it says. Okay, probably not an original Czech product, but this brand is a famous Czech one. So this is a peanut chips type of thing. Okay, menthol hard candy. These were produced decades, even during the communist era, and children still love them. Nice. Bon Parry hard candy forest fruits flavour. Again, this is from the communist era, apparently. Pedro Fruity. Again, fruity jelly berries. Do you know what? Right, stop reading the thing. We're going to open these up and have a little taste right now. Okay, little gummy sweets. They all look the same. Interesting. Kind of, yeah. They're sort of berry flavoured. Very difficult to actually identify the flavours of the individual berries that are in there. I imagine it's probably somewhere in all of these ingredients, but I can taste blackcurrant in there. Good. Not overly sweet, which is great. Okay, where do we get to? Right, so this little thing, chocolate wafer in white chocolate. Again, this is a thing that was produced through the communist era. Milk lemon wafer. Interesting fact, none, just eat it. Okay. This is peanut wafer in milk chocolate. That's those ones there, isn't it? Yeah. 80% of Czech people bring this or similar products on mountain hiking. Provides energy that you'll need. That's cool. I'm going to take some of this out this afternoon, actually, because I'm going out for a walk in the woods this afternoon. That's going in my pocket. Cereal bar with blueberries. This is a new product, apparently. So, yeah, that looks a lot like the breakfast bar things that we get in the UK. But I imagine it'll be different in some way. Then we've got non-alcoholic praline with rum flavour. Again, a thing that's been produced through the communist era. These are spar wafers with hazelnut filling. Okay, interesting fact, they're superb, you'll want more. Well, Right, we're going to taste those in a minute as well. And then this one, which is the Blue Sky Pistachio box of chocolates. These look really, really great, and I'm going to save these. Oh, there's a... I think we can take the lid off without actually breaking the seal, perhaps. Because there's a plastic wrapping, which I think goes over the top. Oh, we can't see them anyway. So, okay, we'll have a look at those another time. Right, but apparently these are superb. I will want more. So, well, I can't wait to get stuck into these and try them then. Wow, interesting packaging. So, it's like one great big cake of wafer. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. So it's like two very thin sheets of wafer with a hazelnut filling in between. Wow, they smell fantastic. They smell so sweet and tasty. There's like a crystalline, sugary, nutty layer in the middle that is just delicious. It melts in the mouth. Well, you're not wrong, now M27. I do want more, but I've got to stop now. These are really good. I'm going to have some of these with ice cream later on. So there we go. That's everything out of this box. And what a treat. What an amazing range of treats here. Thank you so much, M27, for sending me this stuff. I'm really, really grateful. And look out, everyone, for these products popping up in future videos. And I promise you I will feature every single one of these products in a video at some point in the future, hopefully in the near future. So watch out for them. And what I'll do is each time I taste a new thing, I'll link to it in this video description as well, so you can find them all. So thanks for sending me this. I'm so, so grateful. And thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.